About 50 Woolworths employees are in self-isolation after a worker at a supermarket in Sydney's Inner West tested positive for coronavirus. Reporter Jamie McKinnell joins us now from Balmain. Jamie, what do we know about this worker?
Well, Ros, this is a Sydney man who was in hotel quarantine in Victoria. He's returned here to New South Wales and he's a worker at the Balmain Woolworths behind me. We know that he was working in the self-serve area of this supermarket and he was asked to take a test after his manager noticed he had some symptoms. He's since returned a positive result and, as you said, about 50 staff have been told to self-isolate. The New South Wales Chief Health Officer, Dr. Kerry Chant, has said this man was cleared for coronavirus while he was in Victoria. Earlier today, she said that if somebody has no symptoms for 72 hours and if it's been at least 10 days since those symptoms began, then they're deemed to be non-infectious. Here's the Chief Health Officer speaking a little earlier this afternoon.
The level of virus detected is very, very low, and what this may reflect is just the tail end of the infection. But because he's also got symptoms, we're just treating it for the utmost of precaution as the fact that he could be infectious.
So, Jamie, what is the advice from New South Wales authorities and how are locals feeling?
Well, Dr. Chant has said this store is at a low level of infectiousness. She said that even though it's a relatively small supermarket in the scheme of things, it doesn't have any problems with overcrowding. It's still open today and we've been speaking to some shoppers. Some people here say they're a little bit concerned about the situation, but for others, it's not a deterrent at all.
I'm glad I put the stuff on my hands before I went in.
I just got a call from my partner and she told me yes.
Are you a bit shocked?
Not really.
Oh, really? How come?
No, it's all over the world. What can you do?
Oh, okay.
Just got to be safe.
I'm sure they're taking every steps to make sure the customers are safe.
The Health Minister, Brad Hazzard, has also issued advice for shoppers who have been to this supermarket to be on alert for any symptoms. But Mr Hazzard also praised Woolworths for the fast way they've responded to the situation.